I just received my very first Louis Vuitton order. I'm so excited. I have so much beauty content lined up, but today I set all of that aside for this gorgeous, outrageously priced, but luxurious eyeshadow palette. I should say eyeshadow quad. Am I crazy? Yeah. And so is my husband for encouraging me to get this. So let's blame him. Can you tell I'm super excited? This is an eyeshadow palette collector's dream. I know there's a lot of talk about it, both positive and negative, but this here, just a little heads up, I love it. I love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the most talked about, the most expensive eyeshadow quad in 2025. At first, I was surprised when I heard that Louis Vuitton was releasing a beauty collection. A lot of people in the beauty community were outraged at the price of these items. Let me tell you, when I say that I am an eyeshadow palette collector, I mean it. I do pick and choose what new eyeshadow palettes I purchase. I don't jump on just any new release unless it's Natasha Denona. That's an exception. I love her formula, but that's not the focus today. Louis Vuitton released their new La Beauté collection, which consists of lipsticks, a bunch of lipsticks, and a total of 8 eyeshadow quads. I'm looking at their site right now. And let's be honest, we have seen these color stories before. These are nothing new. In my opinion, what may be new is the formula. I ended up purchasing one eyeshadow quad. I didn't want to get all crazy and, get blinded by the new collection. So I just purchased one that really caught my attention when I first saw it. These eyeshadow quads look beautiful. They look gorgeous. As a luxury eyeshadow palette collector, I could not resist this opportunity. I had to get one of these, mainly because, number one, I've never purchased from Louis Vuitton. I never really found a big interest in it, believe it or not. And I mean, Louis Vuitton is super famous. We all know their bags, their shoes, things like that. And they're awesome, but I never had that attraction towards it until they released this new beauty launch. Yeah, so here we are. Let's talk about their packaging, their shipping. Oh my goodness. I was absolutely in love with Dior. And I still am, because these are two different brands. You may have seen my unboxing video, my very first one with Dior. It was an experience that I had that I wanted to share with everyone. I loved it. I was absolutely surprised at how beautifully packaged they send their products. And of course, I had to put together an unboxing video for you guys, which I already posted, and share with you my experience. I will say that for my first Louis Vuitton purchase, I was in beauty heaven for a moment. So this is what, and you can check out my video, my little unboxing video. I'll link it here for you guys, but super nice, so super luxurious. I am absolutely in awe with their packaging. They truly make you feel special. Usually when you purchase online, companies just send you the product. Yeah, they package it nice, but they just send you the product. They don't give you these nice little, bags and stuff. Louis Vuitton sends you the whole shebang, the whole package, the whole experience at home. So I'm very pleased with that. I don't want to talk too much about the unboxing because I have a video for that, but this was a nice experience. Let's check out the eyeshadow quad that I purchased. I have here this little pouch, and in this pouch I have the lovely, gorgeous eyeshadow quad. Check this out. Very, very heavy. The eyeshadow quad that I purchased is Force of Nature. Love it. This color story makes me think of fall. It like absolutely makes me think of fall, and fall is my favorite season. Out of all the choices that they have, this one really, really stood out for me. So today we're gonna be trying this out. So these eyeshadow quads retail for $250. I think it's crazy, but it is Louis Vuitton, so you know, you're paying for a huge brand. If you haven't heard yet, which you probably have, Pat McGrath is the creative director behind this beauty collection, and which makes it more exciting. I mean, I have I think 5 mothership palettes, so everyone's curious, is this formula going to be similar to hers? I personally don't think so. We're talking about another brand. We're talking about Louis Vuitton, and from my understanding, after reading through everything, these are their own. The formula is its own. Today we're going to try these out. If there's something different that I haven't come across, maybe in the texture, we'll see. The formula in these eyeshadow quads is supposed to be long-lasting, crease-free. What else? Hydrating. It says preserved hydration for up to 6 hours. And as far as the shades, we have here Satin Eggshell, Satin Golden Olive, Lumi Matte Burnt Sienna, and then right here we have Metallic Bronze Gold. So those are the shades. And as far as the compact, it's made out of metal. Not sure what kind of metal, to be honest with you guys, but it is very heavy. It's got a nice mirror, and it is refillable. It's got like a little button here, and when you slide it, it pops open like that, so you can refill it with new shades. I do like the fact that it doesn't have the name of the eyeshadow quad, so that you can actually use it for different colors. That's nice. The actual case is a recyclable product. I don't see myself tossing this in the recycle bin. Not just no, but heck no. All right, I'm ready to try this brand new Louis Vuitton eyeshadow quad in Force of Nature. I'm gonna prep my eyes and I'll be right back. All right, so my eyes are prepped. I want to go in with this light shade. Is more of like a highlighting shade, so I'm going to leave that for last. I think I want to try out the Burnt Sienna one first. We're going to get to see how pigmented these are. I'm placing this on the crease. There is pigment to it, but it's not out of control. Right from the start, it seems that you can build this up. I'm gonna try to go bold today, so we'll see. We'll see if we could build it to that point. So there is pigment to it, and it is buildable. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to take it above my crease. Just blow it out a little. It is satin. That's a nice brownish color. I like it. Now I want to go in with the olive green shade. and I'm gonna place it on my lid. Beautiful olive color. I'm gonna go in again with sienna to see if I can darken the outer corner a bit more. And I'm not worried about being sloppy. I will tell you, there is no fallout. Check this out. There is no fallout at all. That's excellent. I always expect fallout, luxury or not luxury, because it's an eyeshadow, it's powder. So, but this has no fallout. I don't see any fallout on my cheeks either. I mean, this is excellent. And definitely buildable. So you can add more, it'll darken it up. Let's move on to this golden shade. And I'm gonna pick it up with my brush first, especially with new eyeshadows. I like to see how it works out with just the brush. And then I go in with my finger. So I cleaned this one out. We're gonna go in with this golden shade. And I'm gonna put it right in the center. Just give this eye look a little pop. Okay, it's barely noticeable. I'm gonna do the same on the other side because I want to go in with my finger. So that's what it looks like. Beautiful. So this is the final eye look using the new Louis Vuitton eyeshadow quad in Force of Nature. What do you guys think? So for my final thoughts, I do want to say that I understand that this launch isn't for everyone. Not everyone's gonna want to buy a $250 eyeshadow quad. It's not even a full pan palette, it's an eyeshadow quad. I do want my viewers to know that I will always give an honest review, no matter what the price of the item is, no matter who is launching it. I want to be true to myself and I want to be honest with you. And I will tell you that the eyeshadow in person is so gorgeous. It is buildable, it's pigmented, and it is satin. I love how it looks. I love the fact that this is luxury and it feels luxurious. It's not cheaply made. And even though it is very pricey at $250, I don't feel like I was ripped off with the packaging, even the formula. I am trying to think of what I can compare it to right now, and I can't, honestly, I can't compare it to any eyeshadow palette that I have at the moment, at least. It's just different. It's different and it's blendable. I love the fact that it's blendable. And I mean, I don't regret purchasing this Louis Vuitton eyeshadow quad. I don't. I'm very happy with it. And I feel fall ready. And once again, here we have Force of Nature. Lovely eyeshadow quad. Oh, I did want to show you guys. It comes with this like leathery pouch. It's perfect for traveling with it. It protects the compact from getting scratched up, so I think it's perfect. And last, I keep forgetting, this came with 2 eyeshadow brushes. I'm so used to my brushes, I didn't want to bother with these, but I'll eventually try them out. And there you have it, everyone. That is my honest review on the new launch, the new Louis Vuitton launch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.